Hi there everybody, and welcome to Daring Beefcake here. I have this VW Passat. This is a 2005-2006 model, and I need to remove the rear back seat, so I just thought I'll make a quick video of how I'm going to remove it. Well, I'm actually looking for the transmission control unit because the car has got some issue with the transmission at the moment, and I can't really find it anywhere, but some people mention it might be in the back, somewhere in the back under the carpet. So I'm trying to get the carpet up, and for that purpose I'm just trying to get the seat out as well, just to get a bit of room to lift that carpet. But to remove the seat, this bit here, you need to pull on the seat here quite hard, and it's supposed to unhook, so it can be hard, so you may want to use something as well to unhook it like that. And I already done the other side, so that's why it's a bit loose. And then what you need to do is push it back a little bit and then lift it, because it's hooked on the back here a little bit. It's hard to see, but in here is hooked. You just need to push it back a little bit and it will come out. Let's try and do that. So if you sort of push it back, it will unhook. And you have to kind of press it, sort of press it down a little bit, and because it's just like a little hook in there. Okay, with my two hands might be a little bit better, so push down, back, and it will come out like that. So basically that is kind of just unhooking from there. So the reason I'm doing it is just because I need to pull the carpet, so it'll be a bit easier. So I'll have to do the same on this side, but since you've seen the other side, so I'll just use my two hands here. Right, once you unhook it, that should just come out like that, and that's it. So now I can sort of go ahead and pull my carpet here, which is the other job that I'm doing. So if I actually find the TCU, I'll make a video of it, because I haven't been able to find myself anyone actually showing where the TCU is. I was just reading some forums where they say it might be on the back seat. On the earlier models, it's actually sitting under the carpet in the front driver's side there, but I've checked on this one, it's not there. I actually had an earlier Passat which had a transmission problem that was sitting there in the front, and I replaced it, and it was luckily a successful story. But otherwise, someone else has mentioned that it might be under the front splash guard, so by the wheel, front wheel, and behind the splash guard. So if I can't find it on the back here, I'll have to look maybe there. It might be there. Apparently between the B5 and the B6, it might be in slightly different positions. So anyway, as far as this video goes, hope the video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. So thank you for watching.